Welcome to Sow Grow. My name's Luke. Today we're going to do a long-term review of my Big Tool Rack Ultimate Rack. I've had it for about 2 years now, and in the entire time I've had it, it has lived outside and it is still in great condition. In the description below I will link to the video of me picking it up and putting it together and my first uses of it. The main thing I use it for is firewood, generally. I keep my chainsaw in the bar holder. Keeps your bar free and not getting bunged up in the bed here. Carry my fuel, bar oil. Also have marking tape, paint, mallet, chainsaw wedges, some tongs. I also use it to carry my Chapin mix-on-exit spray tank, which I use for spraying herbicide for weed control and also insecticide for mosquitoes. We live right above a swamp, and it gets pretty mosquito-y up here. For living outside for 2 years, you can hardly tell. It looks pretty much brand new, aside from being dirty. And my little encounter with a tree, I'm sure if I just washed that, it'd come off. Also ran into a tree backing up right here, and I know I could just unscrew it and hammer it straight and put it right back on, but I'm too lazy and it still works. You can carry up to 8 long-handled tools, shovels, rakes, etc. It is quick hitch compatible, and it has really nice caster wheels for if you've got, say, a paved indoor barn or garage, and you can just lower them and slide it around into a corner for storage until you need it again. It is probably my most used 3-point attachment, and I'm really happy I have it, and if I could go back and do it all over again, I'd buy it again. The owner, Tim, is a really good guy, and you really just can't go wrong with Big Tool Rack. They make really good, high-quality products.
If you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video.